This has never happened to me before in life. Look what the time is. Where's the time? Woo! Guys, I've never been in this queue so quick. I was under 2,000. This is insane. This is insane. I'm gonna get front row concert tickets. This is it. This is it. It's only been 3 minutes. Come on, it's only been 3 minutes. Come on. I'm on a high. I just came back from school and I literally rushed, ran over. Sarah, it's 1,000. My phone, still 2,000. She has her device over there, also 2,000 plus. This is, guys, this is unheard of. This is unreal. Now we really need some outfits. I really need myself a light stick. 300.
Oh, still 2,000.
Sarah's is still 2,000. That is still 2,000. 300. I had to stop eating my Cheetos. We're gonna aim for this section. Let's see. I can't get standing. There's just no way. Okay, guys. I don't think you understand. Place order.
Oh my god.
Okay, we got it. Wait, no thanks. Oh
my god.
Open the app. Was I not in the app? Look.
Wait. Just what are the seats?
I don't know. Look at them glitching. Bruh, just trust me, guys. 210.
Okay, we got 210 somewhere over here.
Okay, so it is now, what's today? Today's Friday and the concert is on Monday. So I decided I wanted to get box braids done because I also have a 127 concert literally the same week on Thursday. So I don't want to have to like do my hair, honestly. And honestly, I've been just wearing my hair in a bun every single day and it's getting damaged. I'm losing a lot of hair in the shower. But yeah, let's go to the beauty supply store. I bet there is. I think I should get a new jeans one though. They're so cute though. I've been feeling like I look flat, first of all. I feel like this vlog is gonna be very much all over the place. I don't know if I'm gonna put all the clips together, but hair is done. The long pieces are in. Look at this cute shirt I thrifted. Okay, so I'm gonna see Enhypen tomorrow, which is actually really exciting, but like it's not real to me. Like, something about me is like just ignoring it. If that makes any sense. Like, I don't know if that's just how I'm coping with it, because like I'm just ignoring it. I went to KCON and I saw Enhypen at KCON and they performed Fever there, and Fever was so good. I don't think you understand. Fever was amazing, and I kind of just like am excited to like relive that. Let Me In, I'll Be Your Boyfriend. Very excited for that. Very excited for Upper Side Dreaming and Go Big or Go Home. Also Drunk Dazed, very excited because they didn't perform that at KCON, which I thought they would. I'm also so excited for Paradox Invasion. Like, that's like my favorite song off the new album, and like I learned the dance and everything, so I'm really excited for that. The next step is doing my nails. So I got these like jelly nails. And they were $8.99. And my sister just put hers on and they looked really good. So I'm gonna do them like they're Gel X, but with press-ons. TikTok hack, really inexpensive, and I can't like commit to nails, so like I can just rip these off. It's 12:55, practically 1 a.m. I finished my nails. I added rhinestones to my nails. I don't know if I really like them, but I feel very put together. So I just need to clean up. I've been watching Hocus Pocus 2 to get into the October spirit. So gonna wear for the concert. So it's my favorite part, figuring out my outfit. Luckily school got canceled, but I'm up and it's early and I'm gonna show you my outfit. It's gonna be based on Enhypen's relay dance for Pass the Mic, I think. Yeah, these outfits, I really like this outfit. Plus, I really like Jungwon's, the like gray and the red and black were just like really speaking to me. So, I already had this skirt on the way. Ali, it's like, I don't know, it's a really cool skirt. I'm pretty sure it's like a dupe of something. I don't know, but it's like a pleated mini skirt, but then in the front it's like straight, if that makes sense, and it has this that goes around the waist and then it ties with little bows. I feel like it matches perfectly with their like gray slacks, and this is like a gray slack in a skirt, and that's really cute. So then for the top, I was gonna get the Jaded London, but I wasn't gonna buy a $65 corset, and I'm probably never gonna wear it again. But Pretty Little Thing had this one, which I would say is pretty darn close to what Jungwon's wearing, and it's really cute. So I had a blazer top that I thrifted and cut and tried to sew, right? I've never sewed before, so it looked really dumb. So instead, but I looked really cohesive in the way where like it looked exactly like the relay, but instead I think I want to stand out. I want to like wear brighter colors. I think I'm gonna wear this over my top, so it's completely different from the outfit, but it doesn't even matter, it's inspired. For my shoes, I got these boots, these lace-up knee-high? Yeah, they're knee-high for me. Lace-up knee-high boots. I got them from Dolls Kill like weeks ago. Even before I even knew I had concert tickets, I got them. And they were literally like $30. And I'm gonna wear this like big chunky cross necklace. So I got this is from Ali, this is from Pretty Little Thing, Ali, Dolls Kill. And I'll link everything. And I think it's really cute. And it's as close as I'm gonna get to that picture. And this is how the thing ties. This is how the skirt ties with this like thing, and then this wraps around in the back. If I had time, I would make the skirt like this, I think. This is my outfit for the concert, my little light stick, and my photo card. I feel like, do I look Jungwon biased? I really feel like I'm gonna be bias wrecked anyway, so it won't even matter. Okay, I have my hair ready. My makeup is done. I have all my bags in here. We're gonna go early to beat traffic, sort of beat traffic, and we're gonna change at the Starbucks there.
Oh wow, it looks so huge.
It's the day after and I'm watching them on live. I'm gonna put them on pause. So the concert was really good actually, and I ended up getting freebies. Really nice girls gave us some freebies. So I got these. They're like cute little a physical concert ticket, which is really cute if you like to like scrapbook and stuff. And then these girls were asking my sister and I who our biases were, and mine is Jungwon, so she gave me this really cute picture. And my sister's is Nikki, and look at this picture. And this is the one she got, Nikki in specs. Super cute, really fun. But yeah, I went to school today and it was a little sad because I was like walking around being like 12 hours ago, fever. And now I'm on campus and fumbled real hard. Fumbled when they were doing Polaroid Love and didn't get in front of the girls to complete my heart, but it's okay. It's fine. It's fine. I literally regret not like filming a whole bunch on the inside, but I really did enjoy the concert. The concert was really good, and Enhypen put on a really good show, and I felt like they were real and not robots, and they can really dance, and their songs are so good. The sets were cute, outfits were good, everything was perfect. Literally perfect. That was it for my Enhypen concert vlog and like a get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'm going to 127's The Link concert in literally 2 days. So if you want to watch that vlog too, subscribe. Thanks for watching.